Hey there! We found an incredible sugar replacement, so we started a company to share it with you. We made a classy logo and put it on a smart car. We got a super clean industrial space, packing machines, licenses and approvals, a great website, and off to the races. Then a marketing gal told us we needed a video. So we wrote a script, made some cool graphs and charts, hired an Elvis impersonator, and started to film. But it was too complicated. So here is the simple truth. Sugar is an addictive substance that can kill people. So people that want to live longer, quit sugar, and people who quit sugar, use substitutes. But sugar substitutes, well, kinda suck. At least they did until now. Introducing Zuga. Zuga is a natural sugar substitute that tastes great, has 0 calories and 0 carbs. If you are diabetic, vegan, kosher, celiac, hyperactive, a dog, on a low-carb diet, or concerned about your teeth, then you can use Zuga. It's simple. If you want something better, try Zuga. You'll say the same as everyone else. Zuga. I can't believe it's not sugar. Zuga Natural Sweetener. Get yours today at zuga.ca.